tutorial on the Kami app. I love Kami app for the diversity and the flexibility that it allows me when using PDFs and creating whiteboard options for students. I am a reading tutor by trade, and this is something that I use very, very frequently. You can see that you can go to Google Drive, you can go to your computer, your OneDrive, or the Kami app when looking for resources. You can create a blank page, which is something that I use very, very regularly for whiteboarding options. You can create a Google Classroom assignment. It allows you to have text recognitions. You can split and merge so that you can mix and match existing files to create new resources. You can create assignments right inside of it, which is really, really great. You can see things that you've recently produced. And then you can come down and browse the templates. So if you're, especially for elementary teachers, I think it's really robust. If you're looking for just something that you want to quickly display on your screen and have interaction. And then there's also really great built-in tutorials. They go through and they'll show you all the directions for sharing Kami assignments and getting started with Kami. Now you can use this for free. Like I said, I have the paid version. So you can see that I've used different things over the course of the last 30 days. And we'll just take a quick look at a blank PDF, or actually I'll show you how to create one. So if you just need a blank screen, you just want to type or you want to write or annotate on your screen while teaching, just go into blank page. Go ahead and select the style. I will do landscape since my phone is on landscape right now. I can change the background color if I don't want it to be white and I want a bright green or something like that. I can definitely do that. In front of me, and you can see that there are some tools on the left side. There is the arrow for picking, choosing. That can be an arrow or a hand, or you can select. It has a dictionary. It can do text read alouds for you once there's text on the page. You can highlight and mark it up. You can underline, strike it out. There are comments. There's a text box. There's equations. This is the most frequently used tool for me, for my students. If I'm going to provide them with something that they have to annotate, I say grab the paintbrush. We'll just quickly grab that. I can change the color, and then we can write on the screen. We can choose shapes. It's going to ask me to save it to Google Drive real quick. I can add shapes. I can insert a triangle. I can have it in front of me, and you can see that there are some tools on the left side.